Галымжан Молданазар is known by many people.
Today, Галымжан Молданazar is a well-known musician in Kazakhstan, but it wasn't easy for him to reach his dreams. So how did Галымжан become the talented singer-songwriter his dreams?
Okay, thank you for your answers. Now, students, please look at the board. Here the association. You should complete this association. What gives us music?
Music gives me energy.
Write down, please. Smart.
Music gives knowledge about the different cultures.
Write down.
Music gives me motivation.
Yes, you're right. Write down. Right.
Music gives me different feeling and inspires me.
Write down.
Please.
I
Gives me relaxation.
write down. Wait a little. Wait a little, students. Okay, Anna.
It's my mind. Music gives me pleasure.
Write down.
My mind. Music gives me a good mood.
Write down. Both you're right too. Music gives us energy, relaxation, knowledge, pleasure, different feelings. It inspires us. It good mood, motivation. And how do you think, students, what is the theme of our today's lesson?
The theme of our today's lesson is discussing music.
Yes, you're right. The theme of our today's lesson is discussion music, and lesson objectives are identify the names of music genres, learn vocabulary to talk about recording music, listen to the text about digital music production, put vocabulary into practice in a group work. So, I suggest you to remember the types of music, and your task, listen the sound and guess the type of music. Here are some cards to find the right card and stick it on the board.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River.
Okay, answer is?
Maybe it's a country music.
Let's check. You are right. It's a country music. Next. What type of music?
Yeah.
Smart.
It is reggae music.
Let's check. Yes, right. Next type of music.
It is classical music.
Yes, you are right. What type of music? Gurjan.
It is rock music.
Let's check. Answer is?
It is blues music.
Blues? Yes.
Southern riding, live by the sea, and frolic in the autumn mist in a land called Halloween.
What type of music?
Yeah.
Ahmara?
It's folk music.
Let's check. Raisa?
I think it's jazz music. Let's check.
Yes.
Got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All in my city.
Oh.
It's a pop music.
Yes, you're right. It's a pop music.
Oh, sunny candles glowing right in over your eyes. We were looking forward to the best of our lives. Used to keep
What is it?
I think it's a rap.
Yes.
Guess what? Go fast and with your lights, learn to run through the storm, not lights.
What is it?
I think it's a hip hop music.
Let's check. Yes, you're right. It's a pop. Now, students, every key is 1 point. If you answer correctly, you should press the key like this. So, descriptors for the first task was get the genre of music, 1 point, stick the right word, 1 point. Please assess yourself. The next task will be pay a word. Here are some cash registers with new words, what we need for today's lessons, and with their definitions. You should match the words with their definitions. Now, students, please look at the screen. Descriptors for this task. Match the words correctly, 1 point. Read the definition, 1 point. So let's check with the help of learning card. The first.
Check a digital space with a digital space on which sound can be recorded.
Please match. So, the second word,
Record streaming sounds using electronic equipment.
check. May I please? Yes, you're right.
By storing sound signal.
Check. Yes, you're right. May I please? Next pair, 11.
Spotify and Swedish music streaming service.
Okay, digital music. Nuray.
The digital audio workstation covers every part of the music, making process from recording to creating beats and melodies.
And the last pair. I said.
Digital music.
Thank you.
That has been recorded in or converted to
Digital.
digital format.
Good. You are right. Now, students, I divide you into 2 groups. First group is YouTube group, and the second group is Instagram group. And I have some questions for you before doing listening task. Where did you record your song?
In the center of the city, in a recording studio.
How long did the recording take?
It took me 10 minutes because I have amazing voice. So
Okay, now students, we're going to listen to the text about digital musical production. Please, students, be attentive. No.
Or in a professional studio where bands, producers and engineers can work together. The bedroom studio has become very popular with young people who want to create their own music but can't afford to hire a studio. A bedroom can be converted into a studio using a computer and a DAW, a digital audio workstation. Everything is digital and can be recorded onto a computer using the DAW. The music can be recorded on 24 tracks or more, using similar software to that used in a professional studio. This is in contrast to recording in the 1960s, when music was recorded on only 4 tracks. 1 track for the vocals, 1 for the drums, 1 for the lead guitar, and 1 for the bass guitar. A lot of music is then released and promoted online. Bands often have their own websites, where fans can watch videos and buy singles or albums which they download. YouTube is particularly important for young bands who want to get noticed through self-made videos for their music or playing live. Once a band has become successful and a certain number of albums have been sold, they may be noticed by a record company. If the band is lucky, they'll be offered a contract. The recording of the next album will be very different. It'll be recorded in a big studio with a producer and sound engineers, and then remixed in another studio. The band will then be kept busy by the record company and probably go on a long tour around their country, or possibly the world, to promote their new album, which at this stage will have been made available on iTunes and Spotify.
So students, group work, and your task is make up short summary and present your vlog. You should listen again this topic and prepare for your
Music is
vlog.
often
These things for your presentation. Now students, look at the screen please. Describe all this task. Students, put in correct order the short summary and present the main information, then creative submission.
bedroom or in a professional studio where bands, producers and engineers can work together. Everything is digital and can be recorded onto a computer using the DAW. The music can be music or playing live. Once a band has become successful and a certain number of albums have been sold, they may be noticed by a record company. If the band is lucky, they'll be offered a contract. The recording of the next album will be very different. It can be recorded in a big studio with a producer and sound engineer.
So, have you finished?
Yes. These days, music is often recorded at home, in bedroom or in a professional studio. For recording, we need equipment such as computer and a DAW, a digital audio workstation, microphones and cables.
DAW is a digital audio workstation. Using a DAW, the music can be recorded on 24 tracks.
In the 1960s, it was possible to record only 4 tracks. There were vocals, drums, lead guitar, and guitar and the bass. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's our guest is popular and American pop star Rihanna.
Hello.
And her producer Evan Rogers.
Good day.
And of course, our beloved viewers. Our viewers have some questions.
Liana, what equipment is needed to record a song?
These days, music is often recorded at home, in bedroom, or such equipment such as. And for recording, we need or cables and the microphones.
What is DAW?
DAW is a digital audio workstation. Using a DAW can be recorded only 24 tracks.
So, Evan, how many tracks could be recorded in 1960?
In 1960s, it was possible. Can be recorded only 4 tracks. It was vocals, drums, lead guitar, and bass guitar.
So, thank you. We know you have some surprise for us. Please, in the middle. Shine bright like a diamond. Ooh, yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. Twilight in a beautiful city. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. Wishes and stars I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we come on the right way. Oh, right way.
Thank you. Instagram group.
Fans often have their own websites where fans can watch videos and buy singles or albums which they download.
You can promote their album and iTunes and Spotify.
Albums are usually produced by record company.
Okay, you want our blog? Hello friends! Today the topic of my blog is promoting record, and today I decided to take our Kazakh stars by surprise. Hi, can you answer to my question?
Of course,
Did singers and bands need a record company to promote their records?
a lot of music is promoted online. Bands often have their own websites where fans can watch videos and buy singles or albums which they download.
Thank you very much.
This is my producer.
Hi,
Hi.
and hello.
Hello.
Can you answer to my question?
Yes, of course.
How can you promote your album?
We can promote our new album on iTunes and Spotify.
It's yours?
Yes.
Maybe you can play for my blog.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, and thank you for your answer. I think my blog will be interesting. And bye bye.
Bye.
Now students, groups, assess yourself. First group. Liza, assess.
They have 3 points because put in correct order the short summary, present the main information, creative and submission.
They have 3 points because they can put in correct all the short summary and present the main information and creative submission.
Present. Assess yourself. Now, let's do the test work. I sent you a link. Follow it, please. This is the code. So, look at the screen. Luzay is the first, Sumbat is the second, and Ahmed is the third. So, assess yourself. So, students, please come here. These are crazy balls. Please choose one. Now, students, twist it on your hands. And I'll ask some questions. If you want to answer, please give me a sign. What role does music play in your life?
Music plays a big role in my life because music can raise our moods and get us excited or make us calm.
Thank you. Next question. What do you think about when you listen to music?
When I listen to music, about the future, I dream everything.
Yes. Next questions. Where can we hear music?
Tomorrow became music everywhere in transports at home on social networks.
As for me, in YouTube and Spotify, you can listen to any song you want, and you don't have to pay for it.
Thank you. Next question. What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Pop music.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your favorite singer and why?
My favorite singer is Dimash Kudaibergen because he has a unique blends elements of pop, rock, and traditional Kazakh music.
Okay. Next question. When do you listen to music?
I listen to music when I'm happy, when I feel bad, do my housework.
Listen. Next questions. What give you music?
Music gives me a different feeling.
So, thank you very much. Sit down, please. Say me, how many points have you got for today's lesson? This key is your points. Here, descriptors.
I have 10 points because I can guess the genre of music, stick the right words, and match the words, and I can correct answer.
Give characters.
Yeah, give correct answer.
Next. What about you, Sumbat? How many points have you got?
I have 9 points because
All? On the points, please. Say me on the points. Жанна, how many points have you got?
I have 10 points. I have 10 points.
Thank you, Liza. I said how many points? Okay. Nuray.
I have 9 points.
Ayman.
I have 8 points.
I have 10 points.
I have 8 points.
I have 10 points.
I have 10 points.
Okay, thank you.
I choose Grammy trophy because I understand everything and can explain it to others.
You too?
I choose Grammy Trophy because I understand everything and can explain it to others.
Grammy trophy because I understand everything and can explain it to others.
Thank you. Other students, who else?
I choose Grammy Trophy because I understand everything and can explain it to others.
So, students, stand up. Thank you for the lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.